I think one of the most fascinating things about the roll leaf foils are that they really are different in how they lay down. Each type has a different stamping temperature, so you have to really understand the physics and the chemistry behind it. Certain weather makes it difficult to press the foils, moisture content, temperature shifts, and then some of the foils are how they lay over each other. A lot of the pigment foils are hard to stamp other foils on top of. This is an example of a pearlescent color, which you can see right now. Even just laying it over top of the other colors, it just kind of changes the palette section to a more muted or pearlized tone of purple and blue. There is a limited selection of colors. You can have customized colors made, but they're fairly pricey, so it's not something that you would venture into very delicately. The holographic foils are really fascinating. They have a lot of, this is a mildly holographic one, but you can see the rainbow variation in the foil itself. And then here's a silver holographic one. And you can see how the light hits it differently. It just really comes alive in so many different ways. This type of foil, when it presses over top of another color, completely covers that color. See, there's that blue one again, that holographic blue. So when I photograph them for my website, it's very difficult to catch all the right colors. You're not going to get the showing of all the holographic layers and the changes from a pearlescent to a pigment. This white is a pigment color. There it is there. This is a pearlescent color laid over a metallic. There's another pigment. You can see it doesn't have much reflection. And then you can see my reflection of the lights from overhead. And that's a very metallized color. And this is actually the exact same color from here to here. It's just how the light's hitting it that makes it look completely different. It's just a fascinating medium.